CBT was started in 1921 by an Italian bootmaker named Albert Stagnaro, who used his expertise in leather goods to start making leather line shaft belts. And over the next 50 years, continued to add goods and services related to conveyors, conveyor belting, gearboxes, chain, sprockets, bearings. And eventually in 1975, my father purchased the business, and there were 5 employees. And they sold basically those products that Albert Stagnaro had started, and then we continued to add more and more products. By listening to our customers and understanding what the customers need, we started adding more bearings, and then eventually motors, DC drives, AC drives, started getting into the electrical business. And in 1986, we became an Allen Bradley drives-only distributor. And then in 1988, we became a full-line Allen Bradley distributor, which is a pretty big deal for a power transmission company back in the 80s. And so at that point, we really continued to add more and more electrical lines and services, and eventually we added pneumatics. We opened a store in Dayton back in 1989, and then we opened a new store, and we built a store in Springboro in 2000, and then in 2011 we made an acquisition of Rexel, and we took over the Allen Bradley territory up in the Dayton market. And then in 2016 we had a couple big accomplishments. We acquired FDL Automation in Sydney, Ohio, and moved into our new home here on Ridge Avenue. We've continued to add more products and services since then. So back on 2nd Street, we had 3 floors, and we had an old wooden elevator with a rope. And that's how you move products from the loading dock floor, the first floor, either the basement, which is where we kept all the electrical goods, and we would keep all the heavy belting and chain up on the 2nd floor. Well, you had to have everybody pulling on the rope, or you were going to drop that material a couple of floors. And that's how we got it from the 1st floor to the 2nd floor, and vice versa. So we've gone from pulling a rope on 3 floors to having 277 people in 3 locations, all pulling on a rope, trying to help us achieve the goals of our customers and our business. And we've earned our reputation by not only understanding the products that we sell, but by standing by them and standing by our customers when they needed help, and making sure that we didn't stop until they were satisfied.